How can I improve my communication skills? There are many people out there who are from different industries and have concerns about improving their communication skills. For example, if anyone from HR background, hospitality service industries, so in that scenario communication play a major role because you can solve guest issues or many more other issues just by proactive communication. So I'm pretty sure students from engineering background, business management, or regardless of whatever field you are from, or some of you might want to become digital influencers. So in this case, this is a very important skill. In fact, many studies have shown that all other things being equal, an individual communication skills and their leadership skills, which are correlated, can distinguish and can mark the journey of one's life achievement. First myth that I want to clear is good communication does not mean knowing the English language. Many people have a misconception that if I have learned the English, I have also learned to communicate. Sorry, English is a language and communication is a skill. These two are very different things. Even after learning good English, your communication can be pathetic. So communication is an art, just like a muscle, it can be developed. One famous quote I would like to share with you all: communication work for those who work at it. If you will work at communication, you will get better. If you will work at improving your art of conveying ideas, do hard work, definitely one day you will gonna succeed. I am gonna introduce you to a law which not only in communication but in every field this law is applicable. It is called the law of paying the price, coming from Jack Canfield, which simply stated means if you want something, you must pay the price. Nothing is free. If you want something in life, you wanna wear a nice branded suit, you wanna go to nice holiday or whatever. The higher the quality, the higher the price. You need to pay, right? But in life improvements, I am not talking about the money. Few people think they will achieve everything with money. Not gonna happen. I saw many rich people and would like to share one interesting scene. There was a gym that in the evening a big VIP person came to exercise. He was himself little overweight, but there were two bodyguards along with him, very well built bodyguard. One attendant held his towel, the other held his protein shake, one another held the water bottles. Okay, naturally he would be some big rich influential personality sons. But after doing all these things, he had to do his own push-up. It doesn't matter how rich or influential your father is. You cannot pay someone else to do push-up for you, right? So learn to do your own push-up. Which means to develop the communications, effort had to be put in. Without effort, there is no key, no guide, no shortcuts through which you can achieve it. It's gonna take efforts, it will take time, it will take hard work. But here's what you need good role models. Like whom do you wish to learn to communicate? Listen to news, reporters, people who are good at art of communications. Means you see how a person is influencing the crowd. Learn that art and how can I use it? This comes first, words come later. In fact, Harvard University studies says that words are only 7% of the entire communication from one person to the other. Body language is huge, visuals is huge, auditory is huge, your body posture, your tone of your sound and so many other things. They are all combining together. So if you determine in your heart that I need to improve in this art because this will be very beneficial in future. Let's assume when you go into the work environment, you will have 100 different ideas. But if you cannot express them, what's the point? Someone else will come, he knows to express well. His ideas will be heard, he will be appreciated, he will move ahead in life, and then you will say or complain that his good luck was better. No nonsense. He has developed a skill which you are slightly weak at and you can develop too. The best way to make yourself uncomfortable and you will emerge victorious. Put yourself into those situations where you are feeling uncomfortable and you will emerge victorious. But if you remain in your comfort zone, I have to do whatever I was doing always, then what will I receive? I will get the same as I have been receiving. One of the definition of insanity is do the same that you are doing as always and every evening pray to the Lord to change your destiny. It doesn't happen this way. Some poet has said it very beautifully that Lord has not changed the circumstances of that person who is not concerned to change his own circumstances. If you like it, do share it and subscribe to this channel for the latest upcoming informative videos. Till then, take care of yourself and have a meaningful day. Thank you.